Hiya, today we're going to make a chestnut mushroom soup. Chestnut mushrooms are cheaper than the other mushrooms as well, and they're far better tasting. And this is what you need. We have got 250 gram twice, so we've got 500 gram of chestnut mushrooms. We're going to use 18 fluid ounce of milk, this is semi-skimmed, 36 fluid ounce of ordinary water, some ground black pepper. We've got 4 vegetable oxo cubes. We're going to use a dessert spoon of cornflour, and we're going to use 1 celery stick, fresh one. Okay, so we'll prepare this and then we'll get back to you. Right, what we've done is we've chopped up our mushrooms. We've cut the celery in half because we're going to put that in and take it out again when it's soft. We've opened up our oxo stock. So what we're going to do now is throw in all the mushrooms. It's quite easy to make this because there's not a lot else in it. Throw these in. Put your celery in. What I'm going to do is break the stock cubes up and then I'll get back to you. Okay. Right, we've crumbled all the stock cubes in. Now we're just going to add the waters, 36 fluid ounce of water. And we're going to put some pepper in it, the black pepper. Okay. Then what we're going to do is just put it on at a medium to low heat, and we're going to leave it cooking. Let's just get a lid on here as well. For about 15-20 minutes until the celery's gone soft. When your celery's gone soft, you'll pull it out and then we'll carry on. Okay? Right, we've added on a good cook, and now when your celery is getting soft like that and it's not hard anymore, you can take that out. So what we're going to do is take that out and turn it off, and then we'll come back to you. Okay, now we're going to add 18 fluid ounce of the semi-skimmed milk, and we're going to add as well a dessert spoon of cornflour. So when you get to the bottom of your milk like that, just get a dessert spoon, get your cornflour. If you haven't got cornflour in, you could do it with plain flour. Cornflour's got a nicer taste, so just stir that in and then add that to your pot as well. Let's just do that. Okay. Now what we're going to do then is just put it on a low heat just for a couple of minutes, just till your milk starts bubbling slightly, and then we'll turn it off and cool it down and blend it. Okay, so let's just put this on quite a low heat just for a few minutes. Just put the lid on, don't let it boil over if you're putting the lid on. Okay, and we'll get back to you soon. Yeah, so about 5 minutes or so. You can leave the lid off if you want, just when you get a bubble on and it starts heating up, as you can see, then you can turn it off, cool it down, and we'll blend it. So it's getting a little bubbles going now. So we'll turn it off and then we'll let it cool and then we'll blend it. Okay, so we've blended it now, and this is how it looks. Okay, and that is pretty much it. Okay.